Downloading account statements on WorldRemit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial records. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select account statements. In the account settings menu, find and click on the option labeled account statements or transaction history to view your available statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will be prompted to select the period for which you want to download the statement. Choose the desired dates to filter your transactions. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the period, click on the download button. The statement will typically be available in PDF format, which you can save to your device. Now you can easily access and manage your WorldRemit account statements wherever needed.